G, welcome back to a brand new episode of David Parody Plays. As you can see, I'm very excited because I just made a big purchase, actually an investment. Your boy found every single member of BTS, they're not new, but they're the Mattel dolls. They're in no specific order, I just lined them up like this for the thumbnail. But as you can see, I'm not missing a single member like I did with the coffee. I made sure.
You are missing one.
Who?
Yourself.
Are you done? I wish. The ultimate goal I had when I bought these dolls, because they're not cheap, they're like 30 Canadian each, is I'm hoping that in like 20, 25, 30 years from now, hopefully these go up in price because they won't be available in Walmart anymore. I'm trying to be a little bit more smart with my money, you know, making these little investments that don't seem big now. Years to come will turn a profit for your boy. Hi. Now, if you are a part of the army, what are all these outfits inspired from? Comment down below too if you know. So here we go. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of all the dolls. Obviously, I'm not taking it out of the box because I just want to keep them in the best condition possible. But I have seen some videos where people take this out and like try to dress them up differently and like even do fixes on the face, because apparently Mattel kind of missed on some of these guys' faces and it doesn't actually look like them. Here is one of my favorite members, V. That's when he had both colors of hair. Really crazy, by the way. I think his face is a little skinnier than that, and his nose isn't that big, but they did a good job with the hair. This box here, I'm gonna show you guys everything. There's a picture of the entire group on the back. I think they messed up on his hair. Like, look on the side if you turn it. That looks like a witch. Yeah, I don't think that looks like him, to be quite honest. Okay, so I pulled up a picture from that music video.
They nailed the color of the hair, but not the hairstyle.
Yeah, the hairstyle is not that. You think the eyes look the same? The eyebrows a little too dark, I think. And from the looks from all the outfits, who actually is wearing the right one? I think Jimin is wearing the same one, kind of. Okay, I was wrong. They just had multiple outfits. These are the outfits that they're styled up, and it's actually the same ones. There's Suga. Right there, yeah, he's wearing the exact same outfit. Okay, we found the right picture. Now Jungkook is wearing the yellow. He matches with this. He's wearing different shoes. They got lazy with the shoes. They just all put white shoes. They gave him Jin's shoes. By the way, Jin, I would say, looks the least like the BTS. That does not look like Jin at all.
The collar, is there hearts on his collar?
There is.
Cool.
Wow, that's attention to detail right there. You see the hearts on the collar? RM, the leader. They got the hair right by the looks of it. Maybe the color should be a little bit more blue. It doesn't really show up on camera. I think they kind of nailed it with the hair. Like, you see it coming down on his forehead. Look at it in this picture. Right there, it's coming down too. Creates a little like pocket on his forehead. His face does not look like him though. Like, him and Jin got it rough. No, I think this kind of looks like Suga.
No, let's see.
To me, it does.
No, I don't think so.
I see, oh my god, from the side? Yeah. Then we got Jimin. His hair does not match at all from the picture. In the music video, he had like, that looks pinkish. There's no pink in his hair. Yeah, they got lazy with Jimin's hair. So guys, that is my little review on the Mattel BTS dolls. I'm kind of getting into this whole like collecting thing. I love to buy things but not open them. Just keep them in their packaging and hopefully over time make some money off of it. As a kid, I've been doing that. I used to collect Kinder Surprise eggs. If you don't know what those are, these right here. But then I ended up opening them all. So that was a failed investment. But this is my new one right here, BTS doll. If they come out with more, you know I'm buying them. Anyways, just thought I would share that with you guys. Hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.